In just 14 years, KS Bakers has completely transformed the bakery industry in Hyderabad. We offer a huge variety of delicious bakery products, ranging from cakes, breads, pastries, puffs, cookies, biscuits, to burgers, pizzas and sandwiches. With our state-of-the-art baking equipment and technological know-how, we run an extremely systematic and diversified workflow. Our fundamental brand ethos comprises three basic principles: customer satisfaction, hygiene and value for money. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified bakery, adhering to all the necessary hygiene standards across the board. Our distinctive cakes and pastry creations continue to set new trends all across Hyderabad. A truly unique feature of KS Bakers is the packaging facility. We develop packs to suit your every need, be it birthdays, corporate meetings or any kind of get-togethers, with a choice of individual brand names and logos as well as multiple combinations on offer. Our efficient delivery system enables us to cater the increasing demand in our outlets as well as deliver products right to your doorstep. Through our website www.ksbakers.com, you can now place orders through the single click of a button.
Actually, our favorite food item is always the birthday cake. Just look forward to KS Bakers whenever there is a birthday party or any birthday treat, or even if we scored the highest in the class.
My favorite thing in KS Bakers is pizza, and I prefer to pizza every time because they make it so different each month.
Everything is my favorite in KS Bakers. We have 6 branches all over the Hyderabad, so wherever we go, we get a KS Baker around.
KS Bakers, this is a wonderful place, and these people value a lot for the money, and the service is really fabulous here. So I keep visiting this KS Bakers.
My favorite thing at KS Bakers is the puff.
KS Bakers is my adda.
I love KS Bakers.
I love KS Bakers.
KS Baker rocks!
KS Bakers would like to thank their customers for their continuous support through the years. We believe this is just the beginning.